Welcome back to another vegan vegetarian food list, and today I'm in Warsaw, Poland. First on this list is Veganda.
This before I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just
So there's outside seafood, but just know that the tram is right here, so it's super loud. So I got vegan schnitzel and I got KFC, which is like apparently cooked in a Korean style. I believe this is in cauliflower. Tastes like BBQ and cauliflower. Ooh, that's good. Potatoes. Next on this list is perfect for coffee and bakery, and it's called Eter.
Started off right, I can see it in your eyes, I can tell that you want me more. What's been on your mind, there's no reason we should start. Tell me something I ain't heard before. I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking.
So this place is good for brekkie because I have something savory, a focaccia is Italian bread, and then I got a rose latte. So they actually have matcha latte here, which I absolutely love, but they have so many different flavors of matcha latte. The rose latte is so good. Has potatoes in it. It's so good. Oh, I would like to mention the milk choices, oat or Sprouts milk. Hello, I don't believe I've had Sprouts milk, but I got Sprouts milk in my rose latte, and she said it comes from this. Okay, so I got one of the desserts. Of course, if you go to a vegan bakery, I got the blueberry. Next on this list is something that you have to try, which is the national dish of Poland, is pierogies. And one to try is Gościniec, which is not a vegan restaurant, but it has vegetarian options there. So I want to note this is a traditional Polish restaurant, so that means it definitely specializes in pierogies and other Polish dishes, although there are some other vegetarian options for the Polish dishes, and you can choose the pierogies to come boiled or fried, and it comes savory or sweet. So I got two kinds of pierogies. The first one is the fried version, and it has mushrooms and I believe she said cabbage. Well, I asked her what she recommended, and she said fried with the mushrooms. And then of course I had to take a sweet pierogi because I never had sweet pierogi before, and I got the strawberry. So they both come with sour cream on it. I'm very curious to how the sweet one will taste with sour cream. It's really good. Let's try the strawberry one. It's watery. It kind of reminds me of like a strawberry yogurt. So if that interests you, definitely try it, but I don't think it's for everybody. I think it's so-so. It's definitely different having a sweet pierogi than a savory one. Next on this list is for the ice cream lovers, and it's called Planty. Oh my goodness, I got two flavors. I got a caramel fudge with Himalayan salt, and the top is a cream with passion fruit and coconut like inside. Also, I would like to note everything is vegan, so you can choose anything, but also their flavors change every day. I do not know what the cream entails, but it's super tasty. That's good too. Also, you can choose a sugar-free or a sugar cone. Next on this list is a good place for brekkie, and it's Niezłe Ziółko.
Penthouse view, left some flowers in the room. I'll make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. Oh, you've been dreaming about it, and I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it.
So like I said, this place is good for brekkie, but please note that it's not a vegan breakfast place. It has vegan and vegetarian options. Iced cappuccino. So they have outside eating, inside eating, and even upstairs eating. But I ordered just the regular eggs with sourdough. I moved inside, the sun was literally roasting me. Next on this list is vegan sushi bar.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about that before we get lost? Maybe our thoughts can never wait without one. Never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far.
Just a heads up, they have no English menus. They're all in Polish, but that's okay because the guy that is helping me or is taking my order, he is so sweet and is just telling me that he can translate everything. So that's great. Also, I got kombucha, yuzu flavor. Let's see. Oh, this is great. So they brought out a form of seaweed salad. I've never seen seaweed salad like this before. I do love seaweed salad. Oh, that's good. That's really good. So I got California rolls, which come in 8 pieces. Nigiri, 2 pieces, and I'm not really sure what these are, but they're a type of nigiri, but this one is supposed to represent eel. Wow, that is so tasty. And they're stuffed with mango. That is so good. You said the eel is eggplant. So this other stuff that is like a type of nigiri, it's not mackerel. And I was like, what's mackerel? I don't eat fish, and I'm sure a lot of you guys that are watching this also don't eat fish. Mackerel is a type of fish, so this is supposed to imitate that fish. Oh my goodness. I need more rolls of this. This is so good. Okay, you have to take this one. The nuts mackerel one. So good. And now the California roll. It has mushrooms in it, and they dyed the rice this orangey color. It's really pretty. The mushroom is tempura, so it has a crunch to it. Oh my goodness, this is really tasty. Next on this list is Lokal Vegan Bistro.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about
Got mango lemonade. I got eggplant fillet, so it's supposed to be like a fish fillet with a side of fries. This is great. Another sweet spot at the list is an ice cream factory.
never felt like this before. Like all the charts if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
A few things about this place. It is not fully vegan, but they have vegan options. So the thing is, you build your ice cream. You have 4 bases that you can choose from: milk, soy milk, yogurt, or a sorbet, and then you choose 2 flavors, and then you choose your topping, and they make it in front of you. It looks like it's a nitrogen-based ice cream, so I took a matcha with milk, which is not vegan, and then strawberries and chocolate flakes. Ooh. This is super tasty, and I love matcha, and the strawberries in it is so good. Next on this list is Bracka. They have cocktails, but they also have mocktails, and I got a Muay Thai. I actually got 2 starters because the guy suggested that 2 starters would equal like a meal, because I wanted to get a starter and a main, but he was like, that's a lot of food. So I trusted him, so I got 2 starters. I got baby potatoes and hummus with like, I think baba ganoush in there. I think these potatoes have truffle aioli on it. They smell so good. Also, I hate this chair. Look how close I am to the table, like chin to table wise. Oh my god. These are so good. You have to get this. I love it. So good. It's just full of flavor. And I think it has, I'm not really sure what these are, but it gives it the crunchy texture, while the potato is like incredibly smushy soft. That's really good. That's really good too. Next on this list is a good brekkie spot called Relax na Wilczej. I got a rose latte. The guy told me that rose seems to be the typical of here, so make sure to try it. Okay, so I got their plate, which you can get vegan from or vegetarian from. I got the vegan form, which consists of scrambled tofu, and then the vegetarian form would be scrambled eggs. Okay, so I'm going to end this vegan vegetarian food list here for Warsaw, Poland. I do want to note, oh my goodness, there are so many vegan places here that there's just so much more I didn't try or get to eat, but there's also so many different kinds of cuisines other than Polish cuisine in vegan form here. I hope this video helped you out so you don't have to do the work and I do it for you. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because I have other vegan vegetarian lists in other cities, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!